We are here.
Here's today.
She welcoming us in.
Yes.
So,
Welcome to my crib.
all right. All right.
When you want content quality, there's one place I'd rather be. Travel over land and overseas, watching the Delphi family. The Delphi family. The Delphi family. The Delphi family. The Delphi family.
Hey D Squad, what's up?
Hey D Squad.
Hey
How
guys.
y'all doing?
Welcome back to the Delprat family, you see me?
Hey.
So we're there, you know. See Kyrie get him here
But
done.
people may try to come in here from morning and on now. See that this summer reach. Kyrie wouldn't, he does not let me come in here. Yeah.
In here
not a
thick
fan.
and one full of fraud man of is it?
Yeah, and I'm using this leave-in conditioner that I made, so look out for it. It's gonna be my next video on Cassie Does Live, so yeah, I'll show y'all how I did that.
Also yeah, they put the conditioner in her ear, I put it already.
So when I party, that's
Woo.
when our party's here, then I add the leave-in conditioner to that section.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's really good. It helps to moisturize his hair, because I know that his hair is a bit dry when I wash it, so
Cool.
yeah.
By the way guys, so we actually have a subscriber staying with us at our Airbnb apartment. You get me I say? So she's quite happy to be here with us, isn't it?
Yeah.
And thing, and you know she wanna come greet you guys. So I'll definitely make one see her. Right, but tonight we're there. Right, because Mr. Kyrie I get him here done up and thing. I say yo guys will show no what go on. That's him with the comb in him hand.
He wants to play with the comb, but he doesn't want the comb in his hair.
Yeah. Kyrie I eat the comb.
This is his
Huh?
preferred way of using a comb. His mouth.
The main reason why I turned the camera on tonight is to introduce you to an interesting device.
So it's the iMara Card Early Education Device. So the iMara Card Early Education Device is basically geared at helping our kids to spell and identify words.
Yes guys, from an early age. Alright, so Kyrie here is not yet at the stage to be learning to read and stuff like that. But it's good for, you know, from age 1 up to say age 6, 7, just to, as Cass say,
Yeah.
to learn how to spell and identify words.
So let us show you how it works.
So this is the device that comes in the packaging, alright,
Yeah.
along with the flashcard. It also comes with a charger, right? So, you know, normally a lot of these devices actually come battery operated, that you have to, you know, replace batteries. But
Yeah.
I really like the fact that this comes with a charger instead.
Because I'm hard batteries.
Yes.
So these card sets actually have categories. So for example, this category is persons, and in this category we have uncle, and an image is there of what an uncle could possibly look like.
Yeah.
Then we have jobs,
Yes.
and we have police.
Right. Pour it on for them, Jaden.
Hello, nice to meet you. Let's play now.
Let's play now. Alright,
All
so put in
right,
some
great.
cards, Jaden.
So start now. All right, here we go. And push it up.
Police.
Good, you see that? All right, pick another one.
What I like about these two guys is I remember when Jaden was just learning to spell, and he didn't like it.
Author.
Great.
Jaden never want to learn to read.
True.
we used to have to be, you know, very good at persuading Jaden
Yes.
to get in on the action of learning to spell his words. But
Police.
yeah, this would be a fun way to actually get the kids involved, get them doing something apart from looking at the book and spelling the words.
Red.
Exactly.
Great. So this is the iMara early childhood device. All right. Link will be in the description. Very, very affordable. Less than $30. Gets you the device along with 4 sets of cards.
Yeah.
Right. So plenty of words for them to learn. This stack of cards shows them about vehicles. So plenty
Yeah.
of vehicles. All right. So if you want to get your child an early start, this is it, guys. Hey, D Squad. Good morning. So we're there. You see me?
Hey guys.
Oh, you don't feed him now?
Yeah, I'm finished. You
Watch
open
him.
up.
Look at him spread out. He was asleep a while ago?
Yes, he was going to sleep.
So literally,
Yes.
what I said wake him up?
Yes, you woke him up.
Sorry, Kai. I'm sorry.
I don't think Kai is upset. I think Kai is very happy that he's awake.
Say morning.
Guys, look on Kai head. Miss chill enough in his cool Kai head. It's going 2 days. Kai determined same year not coming up, but me determined same year after come.
Alright.
So you
Yeah.
go on, Mr. Kai.
Guys, we have breakfast ready. We're digging at this right now. You see me?
Ooh,
You know?
bless you.
Yeah, so the gardener's on his way. You see me? I sort out the lawn and thing. You know, so I'm going to guide him through that before I'm going to link the guest on the Airbnb and see how she doing and stuff like that. You know, so Kyrie, what you say? You're digging too? You're digging at breakfast too? Say hello.
Say hi.
By the way, see Jaden here. Jaden. Say good morning.
Morning.
You see him sweat? Look on him. Outside that ramp, you know. Alright. So guys, Jaden moved from the ramping to the tablet to
TV.
to YouTube. Over here, so I just saw him do it straight. Watch him with the remote in the hand. Watch him. Him not easy, you know.
Is it a spray? Phone up on Carrie and then because Carrie grab anything. You think them and not reach it? But then take a start Carrie and reach it. Yeah? And you run fast.
Jaden eat already, you know.
Mm-hmm.
You see me? Alright, ready, let's pray.
Alright. Lord, thank you for this meal. Not only for your body in the arm, but keep us out of danger. Just in my prayer. Amen. Hold on, him on.
Yep.
Don't underestimate these babies. Them fast and them strong and they will grab things. Yeah?
So we have callaloo, saltfish fry up, and fried dumpling. That's the lick today. You know what I mean? That's the lick today.
Alright, I try with the food. He's already holding on to the table and pulling himself to the table.
That's sometimes him eat now.
Yeah, in about a month's time we start introducing different foods to him. But we already started introducing the rice cereal. So like when you make his formula, I'll put like one scoop into it, not thick or anything, just a mild introduction to rice sometimes, yeah. You want kai? Okay, hold on. Wash it down. Come on, wash it down, okay.
Ah, good boy. Do the thing, big brother. Kyrie, you good? Say guys, this man I'm gonna play football, you know. Because you don't know this, you know. I never said this yet. Guys, this morning on the ball field, defense me play, you know. And me I tell you, say a man kick a shot, you know. And straight to that balls.
Oh my god!
Hey, me never feel so much pain yet. Like a solid shot, you know.
Oh my god, like for real?
The man have to draw, man have to carry me off I feel.
Oh my god, so
Yeah, it cramp me up, you know. It feel a lot better now. It wear off now. I might tell you, say, oh, the thing cramp me up.
Oh my god.
Cramp me.
You have to use your hand and kind of shoot
No,
them.
man, him never did that far from me. And him is a snapshot. So by me come so straight in my grind here, man, me I tell you, say, yo.
Yeah, be careful with them things, you know.
Me say, me I think to myself and I say, thank God, say, me have two sons already.
No, I need my daughter. I need my tongue, they have two sons already.
If worst case, we have them. But you know, say all of my years, I play football at first as I reach me still. First that I reach me. I always see them to other players for the feeling about.
He's following the cup. Feel it for you. So it's you know.
It alright now. It's better.
So where do you ice it? Like if you
No,
ice
we just rub it till the pain go away. Rough man, I tell you.
Oh my god. Us babe. Us. That must have really hurt. I thought that was my water.
Just have to take a little sip. That's enough. Yeah.
You might have put him out in my things in my people. Everything I eat, you must eat out.
I put what?
That's what they say, put them out in people things there when they taste it or drink out of it.
Straight up, you're talking, please clarify. Clarify for me.
What do you mean? They say, I'm pretty straight, you're the one that's thinking funny.
No, I mean, I think all different possibilities, as I say, have to be specific. You see me?
You guys.
Yeah, so I'm going to go outside. Garden almost reach, you see me? So I'm going to go out there and get that started. And then we're going to link the guests down on the Airbnb, you see me?
Yep.
We're here for the Airbnb. You get me? There's a guest there. You see me? They're supposed to be on the inside. We're not showing them out yet. You know? Yeah, so we're here. Alright, so I'll call her now. We are here.
Here's Shade.
She welcoming us in.
Yes.
So,
Welcome to my crib.
alright. Alright. Yes, Shade, thanks for the warm welcome.
Yes.
Because I know at your place.
Yes.
You get me, so we just are intro, you know?
Yes.
Yeah, thanks for the welcome, is it?
So Shade is actually, Shade actually knows us from YouTube. So you subscribe to our channel, right, Shade?
Yes, the Decor family.
Awesome.
So Shade has subscribed to our channel and we're just super happy to meet you.
Yes.
So we always love to hear from persons who watch our channel, but to see their opinion because we are sharing our opinion, but sometimes we don't, unless you comment, we don't necessarily know what's going on. So it's always good to hear from our subscribers. And it's even better because one of our subscribers actually is using our Airbnb.
Yes.
So how is it, by the way?
Amazing.
You like it?
Yes. And I think you guys should continue to take your reviews seriously. Because me, I'm a review freak.
Yeah.
Like even down to my hair.
Yes.
If
Yeah.
I don't see pictures and stuff,
Yeah.
I'm not going.
Okay.
So
And
social media and reviews,
Yes.
it
definitely
matters.
it matters.
Great.
Definitely.
Yes.
Great.
I saw loads of Airbnbs before I saw this one.
Yeah.
And it was quite mixed.
Yeah.
And I was like, I don't really like that.
Yeah.
And then the communication wasn't very quick.
Oh.
And I don't like that either.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so.
Yeah, we
That's
try
what I
to.
like, yeah.
You said the communication is very
Yes,
quick
I like
because
that.
we ensure that as we get messages, we respond to
Yes.
them. Because I think you had a few questions I don't quite remember, but I know you had
Like
one or
smoking.
two. Yeah. So
Yes.
so whenever a guest book, you know, we have a list of stuff that we send them. So we ask that guests,
Yeah.
you know, don't smoke on the inside. You know, so she have visitors or stuff like that might, you know, want to smoke. So she asked us if it was okay for them to smoke on the outside.
We really love the communication because
Yeah.
I always say like if you don't ask and if we don't talk then
Yes.
we can't resolve whatever issues. So
Right.
we really love that. Adrian does most of our Airbnb communications, I must
Yes,
say.
I noticed.
Adrian does a wonderful job. Adrian is a customer service kind of person.
Yeah.
Right? I'm more of the shy, reserved,
That's
in
me
the
today.
background working
True.
kind of person.
Yes.
But it's super nice meeting you. Thank you so much for
You
subscribing.
have a beautiful.
Yes.
Awesome. Good to know.
Thank
And you
you.
can definitely feel safe. Like I like that it's gated.
Yes.
I like
Awesome.
that close to everything because I'm from St. Elizabeth.
Yeah.
Okay.
I stay here.
Okay.
I like to
So
be, she's just down the road.
so why you came to Portmore?
I like to be close to doing like Portmore, St. Elizabeth's quite boring.
Oh,
The only place I
okay.
can go is
Yeah.
Santa Cruz, Mandeville,
Yeah.
probably Negril.
Okay.
Stay close to the action here. You can go
Yes.
also. Yeah.
Yes.
Well, welcome to Portmore. Welcome to,
Yeah.
I think that Portmore is actually a really nice location. So.
Some people have their homes, their actual personal homes on Airbnb,
Yeah.
and they're very beautiful, but I wouldn't go and stay there.
No, you have to be a
you know.
nice gated complex.
Yes, and I like the security at the door.
Yes.
Even when you have the card thing,
Yeah.
they greet you, they say, that's I like that.
Great,
Yeah.
great.
And that is true. And I always say, like, when we are going anywhere, I like to know exactly where we're going.
Definitely. That's it.
What's the security like?
Yeah.
What are we going to be doing? Because if you're going to be out of your comfort zone and you're afraid,
Yeah.
all the I's must be dotted and the T's
Yes.
must be crossed and need to be safe. That's
And
good.
I've only stayed in a few Airbnbs because I usually stay in hotels.
Oh, okay.
I don't really like it. I stayed in a hotel here. I went to Moon Palace.
Oh.
I don't really like it. It's very tourist. It's very. It's
Yeah,
not really
true.
my
It's
thing.
not
Yeah.
I like to
authentic.
feel at home.
Yes.
And I definitely feel at home.
Right.
Yeah.
Yes.
True.
That's great.
And it's a nice community. Everyone that walks past morning.
Yeah.
Nice.
So I like that.
Yes.
Yeah. You definitely have a homely feel. It's good.
Great. Yeah,
But
man.
it's really good. It's always good talking to our subscribers. Every now and then I'm on the road, I see some persons. Even yesterday,
Yeah.
I was telling Adrian that I actually saw one of our subscribers in the bank. I think it's Brandon Smith. Yes, I remember it. So I saw him in the bank, pick up yourself.
Yeah.
So I always love to, reach out to you guys and see how you've been experiencing our channel.
Yeah.
Good channel.
How
Yes.
it's-
Thank you very much.
So, yeah, so thank you
Yeah,
for
I will
your
definitely
support.
stay here again.
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you for your
Yeah.
support twice over.
Yeah, man. So how long you been in the? You're from the UK, right?
Yes.
Yes. So how long you been in the UK?
I've been in the UK since I was 2 and I'm now 23.
Uh-huh.
I come back every year.
You come back every year. So because guys, she move like a Jamaican. She don't move
Yeah.
like
I know I have
only
it.
the accent.
I have the accent on now, but I didn't have it on yesterday.
No, because sometimes you talk like regular
Yeah.
Jamaican, you hear it kind of mix in. And I mean, for you to be living in the UK from your age too. So basically, you've been there all your life. But you
Yeah.
say you come back to Jamaica a lot and you love that.
Yeah.
Because this is your home, really.
I can't
You
get
know?
enough of Jamaica, to be honest. No matter how they say the crime rate is high,
Yeah.
COVID is killing us down here, I still have to come.
Yeah. Yes, Shade, so it's awesome having you.
Yes.
Yes.
All right.
You shall see me again.
You might have my number, so
Yes.
you can link me up. Alright, enjoy the rest of your stay.
I will do.
Alright.
Bye.
Nice
Yeah, man.
Nice meeting you.
Bye bye. Take care.
This is the lawn after it has been cut and shaped, and I think it's looking so nice, babe. Aww,
Yeah, man, you do a good job with it.
you look good, man.
You do a good job with it.
We have some white stuff, but what's that, babe?
Wow.
Why is it white in some places or brown in some places?
It'll get dark. You just cut, so
Yeah.
it'll get back.
So that's what happens when you cut the grass. Sometimes you have brown patches, but the brown patches quickly turn back green. So Adrian is doing his watering. Is daily watering this, babe?
Yeah. You know the thing though.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Hey guys, one time Jaden out here water, I take a stack of the house to get water,
Water fly up on all the window.
But say Jaden out here wild out. We take a stack, water reach the windows, water reach inside pan the couch. And watch him now, I look to the window like he must say, anybody see me? Anybody see me? that was funny.
By the way, guys, I know what say. What you know?
Yes.
We have.
So the last time we went shopping, Adrian saw these and he was so excited to get them. So he's finally gonna put it up. So he had it outside and he allowed them to get charged because they're solar. So he might put it up now and see how it stays.
Yeah, them are nice and fat and sturdy, man. You know?
Yeah.
Them are good. Yep. Them nice, man.
So we had some before, but they weren't, let's just say it wasn't as big and nice and sturdy as
By
this
the way,
one.
watch ya. This is how you start it off, you know. You click in that.
Oh, do it again, let me see.
You just pull it out. Just pull it out.
Oh, okay. Let's see.
Yeah.
We'll show you guys how it looks.
So we know how we put them. We have 8 of them. You can let us know in the comments how we organize them. So I'm going to give them an orientation for now. I'm going to show you how it look at night. So if you don't have other ideas, you can drop them in the comments.
I think you should put 2 right by the Zega palm right here.
Right there, so?
Yeah, you could put 2 on either side.
Yeah. I never put them on.
Adrian's hard work paid off. Hey guys, Adrian started out his lawn by himself, you know, man. Out here, put up in a doodoo and all these things.
Can you specify?
Manure and all these things. Putting him grass and do him thing. I'm so proud of you, babe.
Eh, for
Your
real?
lawn come.
For real? You proud of me?
Yeah, but just don't do the doodoo part again.
No, it have to do, man. Manure a good thing, man. I want to tell you. Ass manure or cow manure. Them a bad man. So guys, if you don't never see where we got them, you can check the description, you know. The last video that we posted, where they do some preparation in the storm and we go get some groceries and stuff like that. So
Yeah.
you can check out that video.
His Adrian don't want anybody to walk on him lawn.
Nah.
Same over here to have people over and I do him watering.
Yeah, even me used to walk in anything about my stop.
Yeah. So that's where you're gonna put that one?
Yeah, I think so.
One right there. That is my walk on Adrian lawn. But these guys are gonna look so cool. I was hoping that they will be a bit bigger for Christmas, but I don't think
They may
they'll.
grow slow, man. They may grow really slow.
Yeah, I don't think they're gonna
They are
get.
slow growers.
Yeah, but they're gonna look so cool once they are fully grown.
These grow like probably a foot or 2 per year. Literally, they grow really slow.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, they grow slow.
All right, everyone. So you've come to the end of the video. The fact that you've stick around for all this time mean you definitely enjoyed this video. All right. So if you do, I'd say leave us a like. All right. Do remember to subscribe. All right. So this is our setup that we went for. Let us know what you think. We personally would like the lights them. All right. Let us know in terms of the formation how you would set them out. All right, guys. And as I say, like the video, subscribe, and share the video. All right. Peace out.